Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PayPal and send money. PayPal is a widely used online payment system that allows you to send and receive funds securely and conveniently across the globe. We'll go over the simple steps to create your account, link your financial instruments, and then demonstrate how to send money to friends, family, or businesses with ease. By the end, you'll be confident in managing your online transactions, making payments, and receiving funds. Creating your PayPal account is straightforward. You'll need to provide some basic personal information, like your name, email address, and create a secure password. After that, you'll link a bank account or a debit or credit card. This step is crucial for funding your payments and withdrawing money. PayPal employs robust security measures, including encryption, to protect your financial details throughout the entire process, ensuring your information remains safe. Sending money through PayPal is incredibly simple and takes just a few clicks. Once logged in, navigate to the Send and Request tab. You'll enter the recipient's email address or mobile number, the amount you wish to send, and select the currency. You can choose to send money for goods and services or to friends and family. Be aware of any potential small transaction fees for certain types of payments or currency conversions, which are clearly displayed before you confirm your transaction. To ensure secure and smooth transactions, always double-check the recipient's details before sending money. Activating two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account, requiring a second verification step. Regularly review your transaction history to monitor all your payments and receipts. If you ever encounter an unfamiliar transaction, contact PayPal support immediately. These simple practices will help keep your account and funds safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.